present himself. Ms. Livingston, how would you like to proceed with that?
Well, Your Honor, I have no issues with my client desiring to represent himself. I would just want the court to proceed with the normal, procedure, letting him know that he's going to be held to the same standard. And I'll submit the matter to the court.
All right, thank you. 1 minute, please. I need to go back and get something. I'll be right back. Let's go on.
Okay, I've reviewed this document.
All right, thank you, sir. So I want to go over some things with you. First, do you understand what the proceeding is that we are here present at?
Yes, I understand.
What is it?
We are at a 6-month review. It's a contested special hearing, if I'm not mistaken. For the, I forgot the exact WIC codes. I have it written in my notes, but 366.2. I'm not sure. But yes, this is in regards to the minor children and to the placement of the minor children.
And what are the legal standards the court must apply today?
The legal standards that the court must apply today?
Yes, sir.
I'm sorry, I'm not sure what you're asking exactly.
Do you understand the consequences of the proceeding today?
The consequences of the proceeding today?
Yes.
No, sir, I do not understand the consequences, because if I'm not mistaken, this is not a criminal court, so I don't understand what the consequences are.
All right. If you represent yourself, there are both dangers and disadvantages to that. You may not have the objectivity required to present a successful case.
So are you persuading me to keep the attorneys that have done absolutely nothing for me and not represent myself and my children's best interests when there are constitutional violations going on?
Sir, I need to advise you of certain things in order to entertain your request. So I'm going to continue.
Okay.
You will not be given any special help. Your failure to follow the rules and procedure of this court could result in a decision that is not in your interest. It is not enough that you understand the facts. You may be unable to present your evidence because you do not know the legal rules and procedures. You could overlook defenses. You will face attorneys who have full legal education and experience. If you represent yourself, you will not have the right to stand by counsel. If you are disruptive during the proceedings, your right to represent yourself could be terminated. Unlike the counsel who you will face, you will be exposed to the dangers and disadvantages of not knowing the complexities of the dependency law, what constitutes a permissible opening statement, what is admissible evidence, what's appropriate direct and cross-examination, what motions you can make and when you need to make them, and what constitutes an appropriate closing argument, among other things. Knowing all of these things, do you still want to proceed with representing yourself?
Yes.
Having reviewed the form that I asked you to look at, do you still want to represent yourself?
Yes.
I may deny a request for a party to represent themselves when representation would result in undue delay of the proceeding or interruptions of the proceeding. Based on Mr. Robinson's behavior in previous proceedings, where he was disruptive, I could reasonably anticipate that if Mr. Robinson were to represent himself, would continue to be the same way and delay the proceedings. Is there anything else you wish to share, Mr. Robinson?
Actually, could you let me know exactly when and what proceeding I was disruptive and disrespectful to the court?
Mr. Robinson, I'm going to move forward. Do you have anything else you want to share?
Yes, I would like for you to answer that question because it seems as if you're mischaracterizing me because I did not disrupt your court. I've been respectful to all of you, including you, Mr. Calero. So if you're telling the court facts, these are supposed to be facts, and that's not a fact.
Based on my finding that Mr. Robinson would likely represent himself the way he has conducted himself in proceedings, including numerous court filings and interjecting during proceedings, I am denying the request. I could reasonably anticipate that he would represent himself as he has conducted himself in the past. Let's continue. Let's get the social worker back on the stand, please.